Welcome to our college algebra. Today I will teach you the quadratic function. Our problem, we have to graph y equals 2x to the second power plus ax plus 5. Alright, the quadratic function are this form. When you have when you see problems like y equals a times a times x to the second power plus b x plus c, when a is different of 0. All right, in this case the graph such as a parabola. Here is the graph such a parabola. Alright, it is often convenient to rewrite the equation. In this case, we have the equation to write the equation as a special form, but in this case, we have to completing the square. In this case, is another thing, important thing, completing the square. Alright? So we have to complete it in this way. We want to derive y equals 2x to the second power plus a x plus 5. So in the form we have to y equals a. Remember this formula? Do you remember? It's times x minus h to the second power plus k. We are talking about the parabola, right? Parabola. This is very important clue. To do so, first factor 2 out of 2x to the second power plus 8. So here, factor out. Here is another thing. Factor out 2 of what? Of 2x to the second power. So here 2 plus ax. All right. So we are going to have this like this. Y equals 2x to the second power plus 4 like this plus 5. All right, that's it. This is one important thing. Okay, now convert the expression, this expression in parentheses, this one x plus x to the second power plus 4x here 4x, yeah, 4x, not 4x in a perfect square. So by adding so now we have to right here perfect square, right? So now go to perfect square. Here now write it perfect square. Perfect square for x, in this case is x plus 4x. All right, perfect square of x to the second power plus 4x. To find this number, take a half. For in this case, take a half the coefficient. So now take a half. Let's write, take a half. Take a half. Yeah, take a half of the coefficient of, take a half of the coefficient. In this case is x, the coefficient 1 1/2 times here times 4 equals 2, right? And square the result. Square the result. So now square is the result. Remember, we're collecting all data to try to make the graph. All right, where is the data that we need to make the graph? Some data. So right now, square the result. In this case, it is 2 to the second power equals 4, right? Now add or subtract 8 outside the parentheses. So now here, now add here, yeah, inside the parentheses, add and yeah, you write it, the subtract in this case, subtract 8 outside the parentheses, right? Outside the parentheses. Outside the parentheses to compensate for adding here for adding 2 times 4 equals 8, right? The result is here. The result is, where is the result? The result is let me write it over there. The result is, so now when you add all this information here, you process all the information. The result is 2 times here x to the second power plus 4x plus, remember, 4 here, 4 plus 5 minus 8. All right, so we are there. We can now rewrite the expression as a, so now rewrite the expression, as here as y, remember the formula I give it to you, this formula, write the expression as a 2 x plus 2 to the second power minus 3. This is very important formula at this point. So here another point, since 2, in this case 2 times x plus 2 to the second power, it is greater or equals than 0, right? For all real values of x, in this case, for all real values, we use or we see in this case that the lowest possible value of y is so right here, the lowest, yeah, just simplify here, the lowest possible value of y, it is y is, in this case, y equals -3. this is very important. We need it for make the graph. This number, this value y. Now on that, it has this value when this happens. This value when this is another when x or value of x is equals -2. Right? This is another main point that we needed. So this is the lowest point in the graph. Okay, allow this called the vertex. The vertex. Okay. So now another information I wanna write right here. So the vertex. The vertex. So here we need vertex. The vertex is equals. In this case, we write it here. X is a -2, comma, a -3, right? -3. That's the vertex. This is lowest point. By adding if you are in another ordinary pair belonging to the function, you are able to take it wherever appropriate numbers to make the graph. So now I will erase everything here to make the graph, because this is the point right now that we have to solve the graph y equals 2x to the second power plus 8x plus 5. So I will keep this information here. I mean this all the last ones. This one. So the parabola information that we needed to know here is parabola is the form. Remember, I write it here. What is it? The form is y equals the formula 8x minus h to the second power plus k. All right. The vertex is another great point. The vertex. So the vertex is a point. What is the point? The point is this is a point. Okay, h, comma k. All right. That's the vertex. The axis is another thing. The axis is the line. It is the line. In this case, x equals h. All right. By the information that we collected after finishing the process that I did before, let me write here the vertex. Because I will make the graph now. Next step is equals -2 and -3. In this case, we did all process. So I erase everything. So now let me make the picture, the graph right here. It's something like this. How looks the graph? So this is y, this is x, like this. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so some points. All right. So try to mark in this case our vertex. Our vertex is -2 and -3. -2, -3 is right here, the vertex. This is the vertex. Right here, this point is -2 and -3. We have the vertex right there. And then you give it point that I told you, so you will have the graph as something like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One point is crossed right here, and then another point is in this case right here. 1, and then 1, 2, 3 right here is the other one right here. And of course, this is gonna be 5 too right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here is the other point. The graph. So the graphs look like this. I'm gonna make the it's something like this. One point is right here. You have with these points right here. I will write it this point. This is -1, -1. Right here, -1, -1. And here is 1, 2, 3, -3, and -1. And then we have another point right here. This is -4, -4, and 5. This point right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this one is 0, 0,5. You have those points over there to prove. You want to prove our problem here. So this is the graph of this quadratic function. Remember, we have to change this function. We change this one by completing the square. This equation right here, this equation is special. We need to change to the special form by completing, in this case, completing the square. All right, we did. I did in the process before. Before, the first step is completing the square in this equation to make a perfect square. Right. After that, you are able to make the graph. All right. So that's it for today. Quadratic function in college algebra. So I remember you this idea. Discover the power of the mathematics and unleash your infinity potential.